Hi everyone, welcome back to another day vlog in this holy month. Hope you all are safe and doing well. These days I'm preparing simple recipes for iftar, so felt like sharing with you all. Maybe a few of you might find it helpful. Lengthy vlogs are really hard to edit these days, so thought of making it short and simple. Hope you like it. Keep watching. Now on my Instagram I had put a story on a baked snack, so here's a recipe for it. Into a mixing bowl, add 1 cup warm milk and 1 cup warm water. Into that add 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix. It should be lukewarm, that when you put your finger it should not hurt, but it shouldn't be cold as well. To that mix in 1.5 tablespoon of yeast. Let that get activated and it'll take only 5 minutes. That's for the semolina drink. The recipe link is in my description box. It's basically half water, half milk. For each glass, you'll need 1 tablespoon semolina. I haven't used roasted semolina here so far, but I guess you may use if you want. The yeast has been activated. Add half cup vegetable oil. Now keep adding flour 1 cup at a time along with salt and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Keep mixing flour. Here I've added almost 3 to 3.5 cups of flour. You need to get a really soft dough. Only then you'll get a soft bun out of it after baking. Spread some flour on the tray or on the countertop and keep kneading. Do add some more flour to your palm if needed. You'll get a really sticky dough in the beginning, but as you knead, it combines together and becomes really soft. Add some oil in the bowl and keep the dough in it. Make sure the dough is all coated with the oil. Keep it covered until it rises double in size. For dinner, prepare chapati along with paneer veg curry. So this is the wheat flour mixed with salt and oil. Kneading with warm water. All days whenever I prepare, there would be leftovers, so it's easy the next day to feed Arman, and even for us this is enough for suhoor. So till now I haven't prepared any extra for suhoor, but in case I'm doing so, I shall do a video on that too. You can see this has doubled in size. Remove the air and knead for one more time. Spreading some flour on the countertop. Taking 3/4 of the dough first. Knead for 5 seconds and roll. This is almost like the cinnamon roll I had made earlier. Do check the link above or below if you want the recipe for that. Spread it well. Then spread some melted butter all over. Now here I've added some chicken sausages. These are cooked ones as mentioned on the packet. Instead of sausage, you can use cooked chicken or any meat. Sprinkling some chopped coriander leaves. Now you can add your favorite seasonings. I have kept it really simple here. I have added some dried red chili flakes and then goes some crushed black pepper. Start rolling from one side and roll till the end. Spread some melted butter on a baking tray. Now I have used dental floss to cut this and it was very easy. Someone in the comment section had suggested this to me. Thanks to whoever it was. If you don't have dental floss, use a kitchen twine or simply a knife. On top, again spread a tablespoon or 2 of melted butter. Cover and leave it to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Now another small size that I had kept aside, rolling out the same way. Since I had the leftover melted butter, I'm using that. But earlier I had prepared the same with olive oil. I like the flavor of olive oil better than the melted butter. Here the filling is za'atar and cheese, any soft cheese of your choice. Roll the same way. Here I'm taking a small baking tray, spreading some butter. Cut out a medium size and place it. After a few minutes of resting, bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. Now for the curry, heating some oil. Add 3 or 4 cardamoms and again 3 or 4 cloves. Then add a crushed mixture of 4 to 5 cloves of garlic and a small piece of ginger. Saute till the raw smell has gone and the ginger garlic has almost fried in the oil. Then add 2 medium-sized onions that's sliced. Mix for 2 minutes and then add 1 medium-sized potato that's chopped. Here I'm adding some frozen green peas. Now it's up to you, you can add your favorite vegetables. I added whatever was available with me. You can even add cauliflower, carrot and such. Then goes 2 tomatoes chopped along with 1.5 tablespoon of tomato paste. Give a good mix. Add 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Mix well till the raw smell of spices is gone. Add 2 or 3 cups of hot water. Goes in 1 capsicum that's chopped. Add some salt. Then mix in paneer cubes around 1 or 2 cups. Just a mix and cover. Cook on low flame for 10 minutes. It was almost time for prayer, so I completed the curry later. And that's the snack. This is really soft and moist. This tastes really good when hot or warm. In case I wanted to reheat it later, I normally steam it. Back to the curry. It was thick. Now to loosen it, you can add plain hot water or cashew paste or fresh cream. Here I have added my favorite, that's coconut milk. some chopped coriander leaves. If you have used fresh coconut milk, don't boil it, just heat it up or else it would curdle. Since I have used tinned one, I have boiled for 2 minutes. And that was our dinner. Any leftover curry I would boil and keep it out for next day. It doesn't have to be kept in the fridge and I can save that space. Those are mint leaves, taking out the ones that has gone bad. Hanging that for drying. Here climate is dry and it takes only 1 or 2 days for drying. This is the mint plant on my window garden. I'm taking out and separating the ones that are actually growing well. You can see here the roots are coming out. These are the new ones, just putting it separately in another bottle. I don't know why, but if I put them in soil, they don't grow. So I keep them in water all time, but changing the water every 2 or 3 days. I don't like to show this, but this is reality. My kitchen sink becomes so much full late night. And if I don't clean it up soon, I go mad seeing it in the morning. This is parsley leaves which I had kept for drying. I had seen this tip somewhere long time back. Don't remember if it was on YouTube or Pinterest or any other. To powder the dry leaves, use a strainer. And that ends for today's video. Hope you liked it. Stay safe and take care. See you with another video. Until then, Assalamualaikum.